Welcome to an Okapi Forest Fun Habitat Hustle. I'm excited to explore the rainforest with you and do some research. Let's check our research list. First, we'll use our binoculars. Then we'll move like rainforest animals, be a wildlife photographer, and make an Okapi poster. Let's get started. Use your binoculars to take a close look into the rainforest and we'll see what animals we can find. Uh-oh, the binoculars are blurry. I'll adjust them for you. Once you know what animal you see, shout it out. Whoa, we found a leopard in that tree. Awesome. I'll add that to our list of animals. Now let's take another look through the binoculars. Nice work, you found an Okapi. Looks like he's having some lunch. I'll add that to our list. Let's take another look into the rainforest and see what we can find. Oh, that looks like a wild cat. But what type of wild cat? Let's do some research. We'll look at some wild cats and where they live. We have a cheetah in the savanna, a serval in the rainforest, and a lynx in the snowy forest. Which type of wild cat do you think we found? I think it's a serval too. We're in the rainforest and the picture looks just like what we found. I'll add that to our list. Use binoculars? Check. The next item on our research list is to practice moving like rainforest animals. By doing this, we can learn about how they move and how they act. Our first subject is an Okapi. Okapis stand tall and reach for high leaves using their long tongues. Use your arms to reach tall and keep your legs very still. Great work! Next up, let's move like a serval. These small cats take quick, small steps to move, and we'll pause and look around to check for predators. Ready? Quick steps. Pause, look around. Wow, that was spot on. Now, let's try to move like a gray parrot. Fold your arms into wings and put them by your sides. Bob your head like a parrot and try balancing on one foot. Here we go. Wow, that looks great. Move like rainforest animals? Check. Are you ready to practice being a wildlife photographer? Use your fingers to follow the frame around the screen until you find the perfect photo spot. Say click to take the photo when you're ready. Let's try and get a photo of the leopard with its head facing us. Here we go. Follow the frame. Click. Perfect. Awesome job. Let's take another photo. Can you get this photo of the gray parrot facing us? Awesome, that's perfect. All right, let's take one more photo. Can you get a picture of this serval when its head comes out of the grass? Perfect, that looks great. I'll check off Be a Wildlife Photographer from our research list. Now, let's make an Okapi poster so we can share what we learned about Okapis. All about Okapis. I'll add some photos, including the one you just took. Okapis eat leaves as their main diet. Okapis grab leaves using do they grab leaves with their hoofs, their tongues, or their teeth? Tongues, that's right. Okapis grab leaves using their long tongues. Okapis live with animals like leopards, servals, and do okapis live with dolphins, elephants, or gray parrots? Gray parrots, that's right. Okapis live with animals like leopards, servals, and gray parrots. Okapi legs have unique stripes that look just like, do they look like zebra stripes, tiger stripes, or skunk stripes? Zebra stripes, that's right, that look just like zebra stripes. I'll add some drawings. Perfect. Wow, your poster looks great. We can check that off our research list now too. Looks like we did everything. Great work today, Explorer. I'll see you on our next adventure.